Shubor Jingslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Kampo yang ke Sorkar Jelau bak lakmen rumbui, loong bakadau jong ke Jingslem men Pynbna ya ke result jong ke Pulit kadai nak kadau bami ke Jingeh nak roster system. Nak liang ubak rumbui loong baka Sorkar kala Pynbna lat kam hagi tenat bapir henrai nak kadau jong ke Jingshat ling shop haka kelam COVID khat khandai ke Jing thap kam kala syukut no bat lalak men beteng biang house nam arajar arpway dak physical eligibility test bat ke Jing tho exam. Nak liang ubak rumbui loong baka police headquarter kala Pynbna habaya de baka roster system bat ka kam kala ya chakmat satang men pendap no.
The government, as I said time and again, want to fill up all the vacant posts in the police department because police is very crucial for the security and safety of the state. That's why 2019 the government have floated the advertisement for different category of posts. After that, then in the process, the COVID-19 pandemic happened and the physical test or necessary test could not be done. But after that, I'm very happy that last year the physical test could be completed and even the written test for some of the trade, not all, have been completed and result is ready to be declared. But as I explained on the floor of the house also, that in the midst of that, we are caught into the legal complication, which we have to see what we are doing, that we have to see according to within the parameter of the law. So the police headquarters has reviewed, relooked about the roster system, and since it is a massive exercise for 50 years, it's not very easy, but I'm very happy that now they are on the verge of completion, which they will submit to the government, and government, if everything is alright, we will approve, and so that the result could be declared up immediately.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.